what is the ecosystem? Just like for a fish, the ecosystem is the ocean where they can find algae, they can find other fishes over there, they can find the crocodiles, and everything is there inside the water of that for the fish. Similarly, in the IT infrastructure ecosystem, in the ecosystem, what you needed, these are all components which you can see on the screen. On the first, if you see over there, if I highlight you, data managed storages. So I encircle the data managed storages, so these are the companies which help you in the data storage management. And the first one is IBM, then Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Apache, and Hadoop over there, right? So these are the data management and storages over there. If you go to the internet platforms, yes, we have IIS, Microsoft IIS, we have Apache, we have a Unix one, we have a Cisco and Java over there. Ecosystem means, like, for example, for you, the ecosystem, what is the ecosystem for you? The air is the ecosystem, the food is the ecosystem, your friends are ecosystem, your family is the ecosystem. So ecosystem means anything around you, right? That is the ecosystem. For a fish in the water, the ecosystem is different. For you, the ecosystem is different for there, right? For an elephant in a jungle, the ecosystem is different for him, right? So everyone has a different ecosystem over there. Plants, they have the different ecosystem over there. Similarly, if we resemble, or we may take a simile from that example, so IT infrastructure, it is this one. See, so when I'm talking about IT infrastructure, I will come across data management, I will come across the internet platforms, I will come across with the hardware platforms, operating systems, enterprise applications, network application, and the consultation. See, so this all make what? IT infrastructure. So IT infrastructure ecosystem is not a single thing. It's the combination of all things which is in touch with the IT infrastructure. This is example. So within this example, if you can see, I was just describing you what are the the internet platforms. So these are the internet platforms over there, or web servers. You can see computer hardware, IBM provides, Oracle, Sun provides, HP and Apple, they provide the computer hardwares. Operating system, the Windows is most popular, Unix, Linux, Mac operating system, Chrome, Android, and iOS. Enterprise software application, including middleware, like for example, who provide this one for companies? If you want a company and you want ERP or some like softwares for business running, so SAP is one of the company, German company. It provides you ERP over there. Oracle, they can provide, Microsoft and IBM. So they all provide you some software. Even I think the Google also provide you their business suite for you. So networking, yeah, how can you communicate all this infrastructure, the ecosystem? So Microsoft Windows Server, Linux, Cisco, and AT&T version. So these are the different networking servers over there to communicate with all computers. Consultation and system integration, we have IBM, HP, and Accenture for that.